welcome to our channel. So, as usual, before I reveal you the topic, I would like to give you 3 sentences. So, let me give you the first sentence. And the first sentence is, Pooja is as smart as Raghu. Now comes the second sentence. That is, Pooja is smarter than Raghu. And the last or the third sentence. And that is, Pooja is the smartest girl in the class. So, you can see here I have used the word smart in 3 different ways. That is smart, smarter, smartest. Yes. And you may be thinking, why am I telling that I have used the word smart in 3 different ways? Because from here comes the topic. And the topic is better than the best, or is it? So, to know more about the topic, we have to go into detail. And to know about the topic, we have to use 2 things here, and that is comparatives and similar and opposite words. So, first I will speak about comparatives. We use comparatives to compare one person or thing with another person or thing. For example, my new phone is bigger than my old phone. The second example, the film is more exciting than the book. And the third example, he is better than me at badminton. So, after I have talked about comparatives, now let me talk about similar and opposite words. So, we use similar and opposite words to compare one person or thing with several other people or things of the same kind. It tells us which person or thing is greatest in some way. Confusing? Let's see this example. So the first example, it is the biggest room in the house. And now comes the second example, and that is, we have got the cutest dog in the world. And the last example to clear your doubt, and that is, Antarctica is the coldest place on earth. So, after I have talked about comparatives and similar and opposite words, now let me move on to forms. Here we make comparatives in 2 ways, either by adding er to a word or by putting more in front of the word. We often use the word then after the comparative, but not always. For example, David is older than Johnny. And the second example, who is more famous, Amitabh Bachchan or Abhishek Bachchan? Again, we add er to words that don't end with e. For example, old, older, small, smaller. Yes, you can see here the words are not ending with e, and so we are adding er to it. Old, older, small, smaller. But on the other hand, if the word ends with e, we just add an r to it. For example, nice, nicer, wide, wider. Yes, so with the word nice, N-I-C-E, the last letter is e, so we are just adding an r to it. And the same thing we are doing with wide too. So nice, nicer, wide, wider. Again, if the word ends with one vowel and one consonant, we double the consonant and add an er to it. On the other hand, if the word ends with w, we don't double it. Remember, if the word ends with w, we don't double it. For example, hot, hotter, big, bigger. So you can see here hot, H-O-T. It's ending with T, a single consonant, and we are doubling the T. So H-O-T-T-E-R, hotter. Similar is the case with bigger, big, bigger. But on the other hand, new, newer. You can see here N-E-W, it's ending with W. And the spelling of newer is N-E-W-E-R. So I am not doubling the W. The W is single. I am just adding an ER to it. So new, newer, few, fewer. Again, if the word ends with Y, we change the Y to I. Remember, if the word ends with Y, we change the Y to I. Let's see this too with an example. So the first example, happy, happier. So you can see here, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. So the last Y is changing to I. So H-A-P-P-I plus E-R. So happier. Noisy, noisier. Easy, easier. Sometimes we put more before a particular word to make the sentence more meaningful. Yes, what did I say? I'll just repeat it for you once again. We use a particular word more before some other word to make the sentence meaningful. For example, sit in the sofa. It's more comfortable than the chair. And the second example, a laptop is more useful than a desktop. Again, to say that two things or people are similar in some way, we use as, A-S-as. We use as with a particular word. For example, I think that skiing is as dangerous as snowboarding. On the other hand, if the sentence is a negative sentence, we add not plus as in the sentence or before a particular word to make the sentence meaningful. For example, Rohit is not as successful as his sister. Now, after I have completed with the forms, let me move on to comparatives and similar and opposite words once again. Here, we can make similar and opposite words in two ways. Either by adding est to a word or by putting most in front of a particular word. We usually use the here. For example, deer is probably the fastest animal in the world. And the second example, it is the cheapest restaurant I have ever visited. Again, we can also add est here, but if the word already ends in e, we just add an st. Remember, we can add the st, but if the word ends in e, we just add st to it. For example, high, highest, small, smallest. So you can see here in high and small, it is not ending with e. So we are adding just est in highest and smallest. But on the other hand, in nice, nicest, wide, widest, we are just adding an st because nice and wide already ends with e. Now let me move on to the usage of similar and opposite words plus past actions or states that are still connected to the present. Here we often use similar and opposite words to it. For example, it is the most delicious meal I have ever had. And the second example, Ankita is the friendliest girl he has ever met. Again, in some cases we usually use in and not of. For example, Mohan is the tallest person in the family. Next, I would like to move on to irregular comparatives plus similar and opposite words. Here some words have irregular comparatives and similar and opposite words. For example, good, better, best. The second example, bad, worse, worst. So I would just like to pick up two words from there and I would like to frame two different sentences. So the first sentence, it's the best film I have seen in a long time. And now comes the second example, and that is, it is the worst winter in history. So with this, I have come to the end of my topic today, and that is better than the best, or is it? So before I wind up, I would like to remind you once again, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe our channel. Thank you.